and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. I'm going to be cooking a pizza that's got 62% hydration dough. So let's go make it. So I don't know if you can see it, but the black line is there, and that's where full is. That's where I have it. And it got too high, so I turned it down. So the back bit of my stone was really stinky, so I put that bit to the back of the oven to burn off. And the front was clean anyway, so there are perfectly clean stone again. So I'm going to put this in now. Get this in. I had a lot of excess. See, it stayed on the peel though, that's good. I've got a feeling this oven's going to be a ferocious cook today. I think it's going to cook it quickly. I can just tell immediately how it's cooked that bit there. And the smell. The burn. But there's no wind today, so I'm not going to blame anything other than my own bad cooking if it goes wrong. See, look how fast this is. This is quick. Can't keep up. Better check it. Oh wow, okay, hang on, let's have a look at the back. Right, I just want to do a bit more with the back. And then just a little bit there. Whew. Done. try. Oh. is a 24-hour room proof, a 4-day fridge proof. It's about 3.5 actually, 3.5. I put it in the freezer because I realised I actually couldn't cook because the storm system came in, so I couldn't film. So it gives it more of a crunchy crust. It's got that leoparding. Okay, I might have like overdone it a bit there. It's got the leoparding, it's got the crunch. I think I'm gonna go with a 62% for a while. I'm gonna see how it goes. So I will be trying out for the rest of my pizza creations a 62% dough recipe. I will put that in the description box. If I change it to 60 or 70 or whatever, I'll let you know, but the standard I'm going to do, because I actually could manage it, and I think the freezer has made such a difference. The ones that I hadn't frozen were harder to manage than the ones I froze. I don't know whether that's pot luck or whether that's a fact, and that's what happens to everyone, I don't know. I love the way that the Koda has just singed that there. I think that's great, it hasn't overcooked it. Just wanted to show you, that was the bit that hit the top. 500 degrees at the back, but that's come out good. I mean, that's a nice colour. Do you think it matches the board? So 62% frozen dough, yes, my go-to dough. Very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.